want to go outside. Yes, is that what that means, Ginger? Yeah. Okay. And then there's Baby Joe, who's right there, and Sydney right there. And there's Sydney Cookadoo and Cuckooberry. I got, uh-oh. We're starting to get a bird pandemonium going on again. Oh, there's Sydney Cookadoo. He's being very beautiful. Oh, there he is. He's so handsome. Yes, he's very handsome. There's my Sydney and Cuckooberry and Bloopy. Here we are. Here we are all together, everybody. And this is Sydney, everybody. And there's Sydney and Cuckooberry on the background. And this is an introduction to all the birds. There's Baby Joe in the background too. And then there's Ginger right there. And Sydney and Cuckooberry. Hi, Sid. Hi. How are you? I love you. He's so handsome. He's very handsome. Yes, he is. He's my boy. He's my big boy. I love him very much. Yes, I do. He's very handsome. Yes, he is. He's Super Sydney Cockatoo. Yeah, he is. He's handsome Sydney Cockatoo. I'm getting a little worried because they sometimes get jealous and then I get bit. I hope not. Oh, he's my big boy. That's Sydney. He's being sweet. Yes, he is. And there's Cuckooberry being very patient in the background. Oh, it's okay. I hope it doesn't end up getting me bitten. Hello. Yes, this is us all here. Here we are, all together and hanging out. Hi, everybody. Hello. Yes. Oh, he's so handsome. This is Sydney. He's very handsome. And Cuckooberry. There, and Sydney. He's very handsome. He's my boy. That's my boy. And we're videotaping. Say hi to TV Land, Sydney Cookadoo. And YouTube and everyone out there. Oh, and then Cuckooberry back there. And Cuckooberry back there. Feeling kind of pushed out now. Poor him, he's kind of making those little grunting sounds. And then there's Ginger over here. He's just occupying himself. And then there's Sydney. And then there's Baby Joe over here being very patient. Yes. Maybe feeling a little dejected. And then there's Handsome, Sydney. Okay. Here we are. It's funny. He's my sweetie. Here we are. I love you. He's my boy. I love you, Sydney Cookadoo. He's so handsome. I'm a little worried. Hope I don't lose an ear or something. Hello. Yes, he's my sweeties. These are my sweet angels. Okay, we'll sign out. Say hello, everybody. Hi, TV world. And everyone YouTube. Hi, YouTube land. These are my birds I adopted. All unique and special. And yes, and we're here and there's... Okay, I'm gonna sign out. Goodbye. I love you guys. I love you. I love you too, baby.